Hello students, welcome to the batch launch of your Exceed 2.0. Yes, we all at PW Gulf welcome you all. Now, yes, we are orienting this batch, we are starting this batch. Now talking about the basic details everyone. This batch starts at 28th of August 2023. Talking about that, yes, what is the special prize we are offering? We are offering the prize of 2600 AET. Certainly, the batch is starting from 28th, right? So, of course, I need to give you some basic details. Let's have a look on some basic details that, okay, what are we providing? How this batch is going to help you out? So, let's talk about that. Everyone, complete revision of term 1 syllabus will be done. Yes, grade 10 students, I know term 1 is done, right? You require revision. So, of course, we are going to provide with that revision and we are going to start with that revision only. Okay, now as we are doing this mid-term, we are not going to forget about term 2. Of course, we are going to talk about term 2 as well. Yes, the detailed coverage for 2023 to 2024 session will be done here with us. Now, talking about subjects, yes, basic subject, your maths, of course, science. In science, we have physics, biology and chemistry. All will be covered in detail. Every concept, every explanation will be given to you by our faculties. Going ahead, yes, when we talk about the batch accessibility, it will be accessible to you till your final exams. Of course, 30th April 2024, till that time we are here with you. Of course, we are going to help you out. Talking about, okay, start date will be Monday 28th of August 2023. End date will be Wednesday 31st of January 2024. Live lectures will be provided. Yes, your faculties will be there. Of course, you can interact. Of course, you can ask all the doubts. All the things will be clear to you. Okay, so no need to worry on that part. Now, let me share some important details everyone. See, if you miss out on any of the class, of course, the recording of that class will be provided. DHA will be provided. Everything will be provided to you if you miss out on any of the class. So, you need not worry that, okay, I am missing out on the class. What will happen? Yes, the detailed class session will be provided to you. Recording will be given. Now, let's see what exactly is the schedule. So, midterm schedule everyone, right? This is the midterm schedule. Yes, the Indian timing, UAE timing, everything is mentioned over here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Of course, all these days your classes will be held. Have a look on the timetable also. See, 5 to 6, of course, there are some classes, right? Then you have 6 to 7. Okay, so this is the detail for mid-term. That means the initial one. Yeah, now what about the term 2? When we talk about term 2, have a look over here. Yes, so classes will decrease. Of course, we have covered a lot, right? So yeah, classes are going to decrease. So have a look over here. Indian timing is also mentioned and UAE timing is also mentioned for your clarity. Midterm 2 will start from 18 September. By 18 September, midterm 1 will be over. Okay, so we are going to have a word on that. Yeah, now moving ahead, this is your weekly schedule that will be provided to you. Okay. Then, moving ahead with your lecture planner. So, everyone, yes, lecture planners will be shared with you. All the details regarding the lecture, that okay, what will be done, yeah, what are the topic and what is the number, everything will be shared by us for each subject. Right? This is not only for physics or chemistry, for each subject that will be provided to you. Certainly, you need not worry on any part over here. Now, you have basic details that okay, what will happen, what is the lecture planner. Certainly, now let us know our teachers and let me welcome Aman sir to take over from here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. So basically, Dharna ma'am has already filled us in with a very basic details about the batch. But that's not all. The most important thing in a batch is the teachers, right? So we'll start with the teachers. Who all are the teachers who will be teaching you? The first subject and one of the most important subject we have is physics. And just now Dharna ma'am went. So she'll be teaching us the physics part, and her credentials is a long list. She has done her BTech. She is already done with the MBA and have a long illustrious career in the path of teaching. So she'll be helping us with the motions, will be helping us with the sound, light and all these subjects, all these topics, and with much more detail and with very important examples which would be required, because physics is a basically understanding of our nature, understanding of our environment. Moving on, the next subject is going into the molecules or the details of these part, that is the chemistry. And Akshita ma'am, who is having a command over organic chemistry, she'll be making our class much more fun and awesome. She has done her masters in organic chemistry from Osmania University, and she has been doing this same thing again and again for continuous many years now. She holds a very good command on inorganic chemistry, which will be a organic chemistry will be a foundation going ahead when you take up chemistry in class 11th and 12th. Then we move on to the biology part, and the biology part will be taken by Nikita ma'am, and Nikita ma'am has already done genetic engineering from Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, and she has done the biotechnology bachelor from in biotechnology. Now biology will be basically biology, will be having botany, will be having zoology, will be understanding the plants, will be understanding the animals, and will be going in detail about the biology part, right? So whoever is interested in the biology should be interested about this part, how things would be going over here, and what are we going to learn in the part of cells and tissues and so many interesting parts of the biology. Going forward, the next subject will be my subject. My name is Aman, as I hope you guys would be knowing if you have gone through our PW Gulf channel. Over there we have given up multiple details and update about these things. I have done chemical engineering, I have been teaching kids about the mathematics part, I have been talking about trigonometry, I have been talking about stats, number system, all these things. These are the basic things which will be covered in our classes, and I believe these teachers will make your experience fun and awesome. Now let's welcome Akshita ma'am, who will be filling us with more detail about the batch. So here she comes.
Hello there kids, I hope you have understood about your teachers and what they are going to teach you. Now let's try to understand how the batch is going to go on. Yes, we have a planner, yes we will be dealing with subjects, yes you know about your teachers, but what more? Well, you will be having DPPs, that is daily practice problems shall be provided to you after every session by your teachers, which you shall be getting along with their video solutions. After that, you will also be having regular tests. Almost every week you shall be having a test on whatever has been taught so far. Along with that, a certain few cumulative tests will also take place. Not just that, the sessions that we are having are going to be highly interactive. It is not going to be a random video lecture. No, it is going to be a one-on-one session. Your videos will be on, your mics will be on, and you will be interacting with the teachers directly, asking your doubts directly. And along with this, don't we all like playing quiz? We do, right? We want to know where we stand. Do we not? Well, to help you do that in the sessions, to make it much more fun and entertaining, along with the delivery of knowledge, we have polling sessions where we shall be asking you questions probably based on what has been taught so far or what was taught previously, and based on your answers your names shall appear on the leaderboard. Well, all the fun part is done, but along with this we also cater to your needs. If at all you want to help us understand what all to incorporate, if you have any ideas regarding the lectures, you can always reach out to us, you can always let us know. Along with that, if you have any issues anywhere, any queries, well, we have an option for that as well. Now, to understand more about the batch, I would like to welcome Nikita ma'am, who will be giving you much more insight about this. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Akshita ma'am, for this warm welcome. And now we shall be learning about that what after class. Huh? Now we are learning with such experienced faculties. We are writing notes. ये ऑन ही नहीं हो रहा. एक बार दिखाना. ये ले लो. कोई नहीं अभी
हो गया.
फिर से स्टार्ट करो.
आप चल के ही जाना है यहाँ से जब मैं स्टार्ट करूँगा ना.
चल के जाना मतलब यहाँ से कही थी मैं चल के. ठीक है.
चल के जाना, वो एडिट करने में.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक.
प्रीवियस स्लाइड पे था. हाँ, यहाँ से मैंने आपको बुलाया था. अब आप जाना.
Thank you, Akshita ma'am, for this warm welcome. And of course, now we shall be learning about all those things after class, because we know we are learning from such experienced faculties. But
Again, the question is what after class? Who will assist us after class, right? So don't worry, because we have the library for you for each and every subject. Yes, of course, you will be provided with very needed notes with all the questions and of course daily practice papers, right? So you can go to the library part and get all the content that is required, all right? But not only that, we are also offering a friend to you, a one-on-one friend, because we know sometimes we tend to become shy and not ask questions in the class, right? But don't you worry, because we have got this experienced friend which is coming soon feature for our PW Gulf, right? So here you will be getting a Sarthi, a friend for you who will provide you one-on-one assistance, alright? So for all of your academic and non-academic queries, you can just log into that and ask your friend, okay? Now, after that, let's see that how do you join our family? So for that, you need to go to the website here given. Now next you have to select the batch, but which batch? So if you are in the 10th standard, choose Exceed and then you click on the buy now option, make the payment and voila, you are here with us with your experienced faculties with very much fun classes where you can speak up in the class, have much and much polls with you, and of course you can shine in the leaderboard and excel and exceed in your classes. Okay, now next, if you feel any sort of assistance, and you can always log in to this email where you can contact us at support@pwgulf.com, where you can write to us and each and every query will be catered and addressed to. Okay, so thank you so much for joining us, guys. Here is your Exceed batch. So let's exceed together in your 10th standard. Bye for now, guys. Take care of yourselves and we shall meet you in class. So what are you waiting for? Quickly go and enroll in the PW Gulf Exceed batch.